sugar, depending on how sweet you like it. Stir well until the sugar completely dissolves. At this point, you can add a splash more milk. If it's too thick, rice pudding loves to soak up liquid even after it's cooked. Time to add a little flavor, sprinkle in some ground cinnamon, or top with a cinnamon stick for a more subtle aroma. Stir gently and let it sit for a minute. Serve it warm for that cozy, just-made feel, or let it chill in the fridge for a cool, creamy dessert. Either way, it's delicious. This rice pudding is perfect as is, but you can always add extras like raisins, nuts, or a drizzle of honey